one. By the way, the translation that I read, the NIV, says that if you look at the footnotes, it does not say, well, it does say in big letters, it does say many colors, but below, at the bottom, in the footnotes, it says could possibly mean sleeves, possibly meaning the coat had sleeves. So, also, what I've learned recently is that it was not just because it was a nicer coat than the other brothers had. It's not like they were jealous of this coat that they had not gotten, but it was customary in that region for the head of the household to wear a coat showing that they were the head of the household. So, in other words, Israel was giving Joseph the coat that showed that he was the head of the household. And he was not the oldest. That's not customary to give. You usually have to wait. Well, not wait, but there's an order to these things, right? Yeah, it has to go. Should normally go to the oldest son, the firstborn son, of which Joseph was. Joseph was the firstborn to. Why can't I remember her name? Rachel or Rebecca? Leah and Rachel. Rachel. The firstborn to Rachel. But not the firstborn to Leah. So, the sons of Leah were all upset. So the first opportunity that they get away from the camp, outside of their father's reach, they say, let's kill him. Reuben says, nope, let's not kill him because it'll be my fault. I'm the first one who's going to be blamed. Not because he cared so much about Joseph, he was looking out for himself. Tick. This one deserves some tick line as well. Right. Sweet. Still not done. More to go. More to come. Okay. So I changed my music today. I was playing Christmas music in previous streams. It is no longer Christmas season, so I had to change the music. And to hoof it, had to book it, had to get something together that I hadn't had together yet. So I'm listening to this music for the first time along with you. Found some lo-fi songs. Hollister says, when do you think you'll be done with the book? So I should have really thought my way through before starting this book, because this first chapter has taken me 4 years, probably will take me 4 years, and I'm planning 9 whole chapters, so maybe I have to boil down the story, so I can get. There are other characters in the Bible that I would like to make books about. So let's finish this one first. So this one is being inked right now. I pencil the pages and then ink the pages. I'm flying the plane as it's in the air. And so next is I'm going to be coloring the pages from page 1. They all look like this. None of them have been colored yet, except for the cover. So this is a labor of love. I do plan on doing some crowdfunding through I forget the name of the site. It's not the most famous. It's not Kickstarter. It is well, it escapes me right now. But we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully, I can work longer on this project. If only I didn't have to work a full-time job. If only I had time to work on this full-time. So this is the first book that I've ever made, and I didn't know how long it would take for me to work on such a project. I wanted to work on Joseph because Joseph has the most typology, the most allusions to Jesus of any character that I know of, at least. It is also a very long story. It starts in chapter 36 and then goes on to chapter 50. How long do you normally stream for, and what do you do for a living, if you don't mind me asking? So, usually I stream for an hour and a half or 2 hours. I work IT. I'm not the brainiest IT. I'm not I'm not one of those IT geniuses. I'm not working for Microsoft. I'm not Bill Gates. I'm a worker bee in IT. Tick lines. We are hatching.